I welcome all of you in the lesson number 4 for grade 3 mathematics. And what we are doing, what we did yesterday, we did completed the 2D shapes in the notebook, and also we completed question number 1 of page number 25, 2D shapes. And we were doing some, we were on question number 2C. We completed A and B. This was, I have four sides, four right angles, and because opposite sides are equal, that's why it is right angle. And I have six sides, not all of equal length. So six sides, only hexagon is a 2D shape which have six sides, and because the sides are not equal, that's why it is irregular. Now coming to the C, and I'm going to ask you, you will help me, which is the third one. This is, I have three sides. So guys, you know which 2D shape has three sides? Just tell me the answer of my question. My question is, which 2D shape have three sides?
Triangle.
Very good, very good. Triangle, triangle,
Triangle.
triangle. Very good, very good, very good, very good. You know about the 2D shape that only triangle is the 2D shape which have three sides. Now there is one more clue for you, and I have three sides and also one right angle. I have three sides and also one right angle. So guys, you have to tell me which shape is that. Very good, Ahmad Jibrail. Okay guys, answer me in the chat box.
Sir, I just came in the period. What's a page?
Page number 25.
And what do I do?
Question number 2C. Tell me the answer. Which shape is that?
2C, okay.
Very good. Abdul Hamid.
What? Sir, what? The page, I'm sorry?
25.
25. I opened it.
Okay. All right. I'm going to open the mic and you have to tell me the answer. Which shape is that?
Triangle!
Triangle.
The answer is right angle triangle. So I'm going to write here right angle triangle. Guys, make sure the spelling of right angle triangle, right? I think we did mistake in the spelling previously. A right angle triangle, right? This is right angle triangle. Why this shape? Because this is the only shape which have one right angle. I can show you here
Sir, where? Number 3?
yeah, number 3 is right angle triangle. That's not giving me the option to draw right angle triangle. I can show you with the help of this line. This is a straight line perpendicular to this line, making a 90-degree angle. This is the 90-degree angle, and one more line I will join from here to there, and that's become right angle triangle. So you can see here how many sides, 1 2 3, and this is the only 90-degree angle right angle triangle. Yes guys, is that clear?
Yes, sir, but
Yes,
I have a question for you.
Who has a question?
Yes.
Someone is asking question, so message me in the chat box so that I can open your mic. Who is asking question? Someone is saying I have question. Yes, send message now. I'm waiting. Who is saying I have question? Okay.
Sir, I do not understand.
What you cannot understand, Abdul Aziz? Yes, Ahmad Jibrail.
Yes, sir, I want to ask you, it's right angle triangle or right angled?
It's right angle. This is the right spelling, okay?
Okay. It's right angle.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Welcome. Alright guys. So right angle triangle. You have done it. And now we will go further. We'll check the next one. This was C. Coming to the D. I have three sides and no right angle. This is very easy, guys. Again, three sides. You know which 2D shape has three sides? And there are no right angles. So can you tell me the answer of this? Very good, guys. Very good.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle, sir.
Triangle.
Very good.
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. So I'm going to write here triangle.
Sir, I did not understand question number C.
Okay. What you did not understand, Abdul Aziz here? I have three sides. Which 2D shape has three sides? Hmm? Tell me, Abdul Aziz, I'm asking to you. Abdul Aziz,
Yes, sir.
which 2D shape has three sides?
Uh, right angle.
Triangle.
Or
Triangle. There is only triangle. There is only one 2D shape which have three sides. Did you not take classes uh, before? Did,
No, I did.
why you did not take classes? We discussed these all in detail. Rectangle, square, triangle. We completed in our notebook also. Triangle is a 2D shape which have three sides and a three corners. Okay, so if you draw a triangle, a simple triangle, so there is no right angle triangle, and the triangle which I draw here, there is one right angle triangle, one right angle. So whenever you have a triangle in which there is one angle of 90 degree, so you say this triangle is right angle triangle, and when there is no 90 degree angle, that means it is simple triangle. Is that fine?
Yes.
You check the previous lectures and check the classwork also from course material. Inshallah you will get it. Even if you did not get, then ask me. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Yes guys, so this is triangle right here. Triangle. Triangle. This is triangle. Now guys, I have five sides, not all of equal length. So you have to identify which 2D shape have five sides. Which 2D shape have five sides? I'm going to open your mic and you have to tell me the answers. Which 2D shape have five sides?
Irregular
Pentagon.
pentagon.
Pentagon, sir. Pentagon.
Okay, leave about regular or irregular first. Okay, because I have no, I did not read this, not all equal length. I am just reading up to here. From I have five sides. I am asking which 2D shape have five sides. Just tell me the answer of this. Which 2D shape have five sides?
Pentagon. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Very good. Now I will read further. Not all of equal length. Not all of equal length. You know, when the sides are not in equal length, you will say it irregular
Yes.
because sides are not equal. So this will be
Irregular pentagon.
very good.
Irregular pentagon. Irregular pentagon.
This will be irregular pentagon. Why it is irregular pentagon? Because the sides are not equal in length. If the sides are equal in length, so we say it is regular pentagon. So right here, irregular pentagon. Irregular pentagon. It is irregular pentagon. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, come to the F. Tell me about F. F is I have four sides of equal length and four right angles. So guys, you know which 2D shape have four sides? There are two 2D shapes which have four sides.
Rectangle and triangle. Square.
Very
Rectangle
good.
and square.
Very good. There are two 2D shapes which have four sides. First is square and second is rectangle. Now you have to identify this is a square or rectangle. But if
This
you
is
read it
square.
further, I have four sides of equal length. I
And
have four
for
sides of equal length.
equal length, you can know from it. The rectangle
Exactly.
only the opposite is only equal length, but
Exactly.
square all is equal.
Exactly. Because of this equal length, you will identify that this shape is square, not rectangle. Because in rectangle, all sides are not equal in length. Only opposite sides are equal in length, or two sides are longer and two sides are shorter. And also square has also four right angles. So this is the only point where you can identify this is not a rectangle. This is square. Is that clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Don't make noise.
Square.
Okay. Now the last one. I have six sides. Can you tell me which 2D shape has six sides?
Regular hexagon.
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 Regular hexagon.
Very good.
Hexagon.
Very good. Now you have this 2D shape has six sides, but they are of equal length. They are of equal length and no right angles. You know that in hexagon there are no right angles. So when there is equal length, so what it will be? Regular hexagon or irregular hexagon? Yes, guys, it is regular hexagon or irregular hexagon.
Regular. Regular.
Very good. So it is regular hexagon. Very good, guys. I'm receiving your messages in the chat box also. So I'm going to write it regular
Hexagon.
hexagon. So this is you completed your exercise here of 2D shapes. Now I have few questions and you have to answer me quickly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay.
be ready, and your hand should be on the keyboard because I will see only 5 messages. I will check who will reply me fast in the chat. I'm going to ask some questions. Tell me which 2D shape has whatever I'm asking. If there are two shapes, you have to write the two names of these two. If there is one shape, you have to write the name of that shape. I'm asking for the shape which have four sides. Which shapes have four sides? Which 2D shape have four sides? Tell me the answer first in the chat. Jihad, no, not complete answer. I'm asking
The
for the
square.
2D shapes which have four sides. Very good. Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Muhammad, Ammar Khalid. Three. No, Abdullah, there is one more shape which has four sides. Yeah, square, but there is rectangle too. Okay, now I'm changing the question. The question is, tell me which 2D shape have five sides? Which 2D shape have five sides? Abdullah Aljum, very good. Ammar Khalid, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Ahmad Usama, very good. Okay. Now listen carefully. Which 2D shape have three sides? Ahmad Jibrail, Ammar Khalid, Abdullah, Ahmad Usama, Jihad Muhammad, Abdul Aziz. Very good. Okay, guys. That's very good. Very good of all of you. You know all now. Okay, guys. We'll move to the next topic, that is 3D shapes. Okay, guys, you need to remember some things about the 3D shapes. As I discussed with you, the 2D shapes are the shapes which have two dimensions. Okay, its length and its width. And now I'm going to tell you about the 3D shapes. That 3D shapes are the shapes which have three dimensions. 3D shapes are the shapes which have three dimensions, its length, its width, and its depth also. Okay, so uh, in 3D shapes, you will check there will be three dimensions. Okay, so there are just like 2D shapes, there are some important terms which you should know before going to the 3D shapes. In 2D shapes, we were checking about sides and corners, vertices. Okay, but in 3D shapes there are faces. You will learn about faces and edges and again vertices, corners. So these three things you will learn. What are faces, what are edges, and what are vertices, corners? Vertices, corners you are familiar with, and about edges and faces, don't need to write it in the notebook until I say. Okay, when I say to write it in the notebook, then you will write. So guys, I'm going to show a video, and with the help of that video I will try to make you understand about faces, edges, vertices, and some uh, you know 3D shapes. So are you ready to watch this video?
Now,
Yes.
sir, now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so I am going to play that video and you have to watch it carefully. I hope you will enjoy that video too, and that will tell you about this. I will stop the video where I need to stop it so that I can explain something. So wait for a while. I'm going to share it with you. One. Okay, that's fine. Guys, can you see the screen of video?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay. And I am going to play it for 3 to 5 seconds first, so that you will tell me that sound is clear to you or not. Okay, so let's play it. Guys, please tell me, sound is clear to you?
Not very
No,
clear.
no,
sir.
sir.
I can't hear anything.
No, sir. No.
No, sir. No, don't hear.
Listen, guys, even if sound is not that much clear, if you can hear it hardly, no issue, because the thing which I want to show you doesn't need sound. So check it again, please.
There is a volume is very. I can listen very. Sir, I can listen.
So guys, you can see that objects that occupy space are called solid shapes, and these are the some examples of solid shapes. Are you enjoying the video?
There is a sound is
Yes.
very
Sir, I
clear.
know
Your
these shapes. Can
voice
I
is
sound
so
again?
big,
I don't
sir.
understand.
Sir, your voice is so big, big.
Okay, let's continue it. Now guys, their surfaces are called faces. Okay, so what you're going to study about the 3D shapes, I told you they base on the properties of their faces, vertices, and edges. So their surfaces are called faces. Like this is the face, this is the face. On the right side there is a face, left side on the face, and on the bottom and just opposite to that there is one more face. So their surfaces are called faces. You have to you should know how many faces are there in the different 3D shapes, and their surfaces meet at edges. Look, these are the lines which join one face to another face. This is called edge. So you can see these are the edges. This is the second term you should know. I told you about the faces. The flat surface is called face, and the line through which one face meet another face, that is called edge. And you know about the vertex or vertices, the corners, right? Edges meet at vertices, so you can easily check the corners: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I hope you have got the idea about what are faces. The surface, flat surface of 3 shapes are called faces. What are edges? Edges are the line through which one face meet another face. This red line, these all are edges. And what is vertex? The same, the corner and where uh, edges meet. Is that clear, guys? Do you know about the face, vertex and the edges?
Yes, sir,
Mm.
I know.
Vertex
Yes,
is
yes,
vertices.
All of
yes,
the
sir.
Very good.
vertex is a
Very good. When we talk about one corner, so we will say it vertex, and we talk about all corners, so we will say it is we will say it vertices. Let's move. This is one of the 3D shape. Its name is cube. In cube, you can see that there are six faces. Okay, how there are six faces, you will see. Look here, guys. You can see here that cube has total six faces. This is the first one, front. On the right side, second. Top of this, third. This is just opposite to this, fourth one. On the left side, fifth one. And on the bottom, sixth one. So how many faces are there in cube? Yes, guys, tell me how many faces are there in cube?
six and six and
Six.
six.
I
Guys,
know.
you know
One,
what?
two, one, two, three, four, five, six, 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 six,
Sir, I
Six
six,
laughed
faces.
because I don't hear.
Very good. And you can see in the picture also how it is having six faces. Is it clear to you guys? How does the cube have six faces?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Now we will check about the edges and vertices. And guys, you can see that all of the faces in the cube are equal squares. You can see this one is also square, this is also square, this is also square. So all of the faces in the cube are equal square. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Very good. Let's move it further. Look at when we talk about the edges in the cube. So there are 12 equal edges. I told you about the edges. Edges are the line by which one face meet another face. So you can see this is the first line, second, third, and fourth, right? Then fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, all the vertical lines. Then on the bottom, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 edges. Is that clear to you? How it is having 12 edges?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir. It's so
sir.
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Very good. Let's move further. When we talk about the vertices, the corners, so you can see that cube has 8 corners. Look, this is first, second, third, fourth on the top. Then on the bottom, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Right? So there are 8 vertices. Is that clear to you? How does it have 8 vertices?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
the video
Yes, sir.
sound is low.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the video sound
Yes,
is
sir.
low.
It's
Sir, the
it's
video
so
sound is
clear.
low.
Okay, very good, very good. All right, guys. No problem with the sound, guys. You just need to watch it. I am explaining also. This is the another 3D shape, guys. Its name is cuboid. Okay, and it has 6 rectangular faces. Some of the faces are rectangular. You can see this cuboid. How many faces does it have? 1, top, bottom, 2, then right side, left side, 4, and this side 5th, and this side is 6th. So there are 6 faces in cuboid. How many faces does the cuboid have? Tell me.
Six. Six.
Seven.
Six faces. Six faces.
Very good.
Faces.
Very good. Let's move further. Look, guys, as we see in the cube, all faces are equal square, but in a cuboid, some faces are the square and some faces are in rectangular shape. So that's the main difference between cuboid and cube, that in cube, all the faces are equal square, but in a cuboid, some of the faces are square and some of the faces are rectangular. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's so clear.
Very good, very good. When we talk about the edges, again I repeat, what are the edges? Edges are the line by which one side meet another side. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. The top edges are 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8 vertical edges, and then the bottom one 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 edges like cube. When we talk about the vertices, so cuboid also have 8 vertices. You can see the corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same as cube. The only difference between cube and cuboid is that cube all has all the faces which are equal square, but in cuboid some of the faces are equal square, some of the faces are square, and some of the faces are rectangular. I hope you understand this cube and cuboid and faces, vertices, and edges. Do you?
Yes, sir. I want to ask you something.
Yes, sir. I
I want to
bye,
understand.
bye,
Very
Yes,
good.
I understand it.
Sir, I want to ask.
Very good. Guys, no problem. I'll give you time, inshallah. Tomorrow, we will do some work in the notebook also, and we'll see some another 3D shapes also. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Someone was asking question, I think. Ahmed Jibrail, you want to ask some question? Yes?
Yes, sir. I
Hmm.
want to tell you. Tomorrow you will tell us what's the faces of the square. Where is the square? What's the
Not a
shape?
square, 3D shape we are going to discuss. Square we
Yes.
discussed already.
Yes.
Cube, cube and cuboid we will
Shape? What is
discuss.
the shape of square in the cuboid?
Cube and cuboid. Yes, we will discuss cube and cuboid again. And we'll do some classwork also. We'll write their properties in the notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.